Hi everyone, welcome back to Little More Learning. Have you ever wondered what makes quantum computers so powerful? How are they different from the computers we use every day? So, in today's video, we will take you inside a quantum computer and break down how quantum computing works, what's inside a real quantum processor, and why quantum computers are the future of technology. So, firstly, how are quantum computers different from classical computers? A classical computer, like a laptop or phone, processes information using bits, which can be zeros or ones. But a quantum computer uses qubits, that are quantum bits, which can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. What is superposition? So, key quantum principles include first, superposition. Qubits can be 0 and 1 simultaneously, making quantum computers super powerful. Next is entanglement. Qubits can be linked, allowing instant communication between them. Lastly, quantum speedup. Complex problems that take years for classical computers can be solved in seconds by quantum computers. So, what's inside a quantum computer? The first thing is a quantum processor. That is, the brain of the computer. Instead of traditional silicon chips, quantum computers use superconducting circuits to process qubits. IBM, Google, and Intel are building quantum processors with 50 plus qubits. The goal is to reach 100 plus qubits for real world applications. Next is supercooling system, that is colder than outer space. Quantum chips must be cooled to near absolute zero, that is minus 273 degrees Celsius, using dilution refrigerators. Why we should do that? Because heat causes quantum states to collapse, making them useless. Quantum computers operate at millikelvin temperatures, colder than deep space. The third component is controlled electronics. Since qubits are fragile, special microwave signals control them. These signals read, write, and manipulate quantum states. Errors are common, so scientists use quantum error correction to keep calculations accurate. The fourth part is quantum algorithms. Unlike classical algorithms, quantum computers use special algorithms like Shor's algorithm that can break modern encryption. Grover's algorithm speeds up searching huge databases, and quantum AI helps in machine learning and optimization. So, what can quantum computers do? Quantum computing is still in its early stages, but it has huge potential. Firstly, in drug discovery, then cryptography, AI, finance and logistics, climate modeling. These are few of its real-world applications. Imagine a future where diseases are cured, AI becomes ultra-intelligent, and global challenges are solved, all thanks to quantum computing. So, should you learn quantum computing? If you are interested in math, physics, and programming, quantum computing is an amazing field to explore. How you can get started? First, learn Python and Qiskit, IBM's quantum programming language. Take free courses on IBM Quantum Experience or Coursera. Follow quantum computing companies like Google, IBM, and Rigetti. So, quantum computers are revolutionary, offering unimaginable power for the future of technology. Do you think quantum computers will change the world? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.